Engineering and ISO consultancy for railway equipment manufacturers. Railway manufacturing challenges. Hello and welcome. This presentation is specifically designed for railway equipment manufacturers worldwide, including producers of railway components, rolling stock parts, fabrication systems, structural assemblies, precision and heavy engineering equipment. In today's global railway industry, manufacturing is no longer defined only by production capability. It is defined by engineering precision, international compliance, safety critical quality assurance, life cycle reliability. Even a small deviation in process or material quality can lead to system failure, regulatory rejection, or safety risk. This is why leading manufacturers are now focusing on structured engineering systems and ISO based quality frameworks. Global railway industry expectations. The railway sector is one of the most safety sensitive and regulated industries in the world. Manufacturers are expected to comply with ISO 9001 quality management systems, IRIS International Railway Industry Standard, EN Railway Standards, ASTM/DIN BIS specifications based on regions. Today's procurement system demand fully traceability, zero defect tolerance mindset, documented process control, long-term performance assurance. However, many manufacturing facilities still face gaps in process standardization, quality documentation, supplier control systems, engineering validation practices. This gap directly impacts approvals, contracts, and global competitiveness. Now, engineering complexity in railway manufacturing. Railway equipment manufacturing is not standard fabrication. It is a it is precision engineering at a safety critical level. Let us understand the technical depth involved. First, material engineering. Railway components often use high strength alloy steels, stainless steels, special grade polymers in selected applications, composite materials. Key requirements include fatigue resistance, impact load tolerance, corrosion resistance, thermal stability. Any inconsistency in material selection or treatment can lead to structural failure under dynamic load conditions. Second, fabrication and welding engineering. Critical processes include MIG, TIG, SAW welding, precision machining, structural alignment. Common issues in poorly controlled systems, weld defects, porosity, cracks, lack of fusion, distortion under stress, dimensional mismatch. This is why WPS, welding procedure specification, and PQR, procedure qualification record systems are essential. Third, dimensional accuracy and assembly control. Railway systems require tight tolerances, controlled assembly sequences, fixer-based manufacturing. Even millimeter level deviations can affect load distribution, vibration behavior, operational safety. Quality assurance systems for railway industry. A strong QA system is the backbone of railway manufacturing. Key inspection systems include non-destructive testing, ultrasonic testing, radiographic testing, magnetic particle testing, dye penetrated and testing, dimensional inspection systems using precision tools, material certification and batch traceability, fatigue and load testing protocols. However, the real strength lies not in testing but in preventive quality systems, root cause analysis, corrective and preventive actions, statistical process control. Now, ISO and railway compliance systems. ISO implementation is not paperwork. It is a structured operational system. ISO 9001 quality management, process control, customer requirement mapping, controls improvement. ISO 40001 environmental systems, waste management, energy optimization, environmental compliance. ISO 45001 safety management, risk assessment, workplace safety systems, incident prevention. When aligned with railway industry requirements, ISO systems help manufacturers pass audits smoothly, enter global supply chains, build long-term client trust. Now, role of engineering consultancy in transformation. This is where structured engineering consultancy becomes critical. A specialized consultancy like URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited supports manufacturers in first engineering optimization, process stabilization, production efficiency improvement, equipment performance enhancement. Second, quality system development, ISO implementation, documentation structuring, audit readiness preparation. Third, technical gap analysis, identifying hidden process inefficiencies, root cause failure identification, risk mitigation planning. Fourth is training and skill development, operator training, engineering team development, quality awareness programs. The objective is not just consultation, it is implementation and measurable improvement. Now, next is business impact and market advantage. When engineering systems are properly structured, manufacturers achieve higher acceptance rates in global tenders, reduce rejection and rework costs, improved operational efficiency, OEE increase, strong audit performance, enhanced brand credibility in railway supply chains. In a competitive global railway market, compliance and engineering excellence are not optional, they are mandatory for survival and growth. If you are a railway equipment manufacturer anywhere in the world and your goal is to improve manufacturing quality systems, achieve ISO and international compliance, enhance engineering performance, reduce rejection and operational costs, strengthens global market access, then URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited is your strategic engineering partner. Contact us. Email ID is info@urgseng.com. Mobile number is +917359458455. This is our WhatsApp number also. We specialize in engineering and management consultancy, ISO implementation, engineering standards compliance, and technical training for global industries. URGS International, Engineering Excellence, Global Compliance, Trusted Performance. Thank you.